Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your account with Square, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To cancel your account with Square, start by logging into your Square dashboard. Open your web browser and go to the Square website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account and Settings section. Look for the option labeled Account and click on it. Scroll down to find the Cancel Account option. Click on Cancel Account to initiate the cancellation process. You will be prompted to select a reason for canceling your account. Choose the reason that best fits your situation from the drop-down menu. After selecting your reason, click on the Continue button. Review the information on the cancellation page carefully. If you are sure you want to proceed, click on the Confirm button. You may receive a confirmation email once your account is successfully canceled. Check your email inbox for this confirmation to ensure the process is completed. Your account will be canceled, and you will no longer have access to it. If you have any pending transactions, make sure to finalize them before cancellation. For any further assistance, consider reaching out to Square's customer support. This completes the process of canceling your Square account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.